Namaste children, welcome to English class. Children, in our previous class we were discussing about fourth lesson, one of the beautiful story, Yuki and the tsunami. And half of the lesson already I explained to you and half of the lesson it was remained now. So now I am going to explain to you that half of the lesson. So please look at your screen, all of you. So from where till where we discussed in our previous class, already you know it. So that Yuki's mother, she told Yuki to wash and come the fruits in the sea. Then Yuki took that basket of the fruit basket he took and he went to that sea, and he was washing. He was washing those fruits. When he was washing there, he suddenly felt that earth was moved under his feet. What it is, he was thinking of it. Then he told that, oh, maybe it is the sign of that earthquake. Maybe it is going to be a earthquake. It means shaking of earth. It is called earthquake. Okay, Bhukampana we are calling it. Bhukampana. Kampana means shaking. Okay, so maybe it is happening now. Like that he thought. And he told that all the people who were there, villagers were there, no, nearby the sea, they were doing their own works there. For them all he instructed, oh, earth is moving, he said. Then they did not take it seriously, those people, village people. So they were laughing at him. Then first villager, oh, maybe it means they were making fun here. What they were making, that we are going to discuss now. Yes, previous class till here we discussed. That first villager, he told that losing your balance there. He was telling to that other villagers, oh, you are losing your balance. It means you are falling down. Like that he shouted. Then what happened? Next you see. Second villager, he tells, okay, what he tells? No, no way. I have the sure-footedness of a mountain goat. You know the goat, when they will be standing on the mountain or hill and eating grass or leaves of the plants, they will stand stiffly. They will not fall down. That is called sure-footedness of a mountain goat. Strongly or firmly they will stand on the hill or mountain. So like that stiffness we have, so we will not fall down or we will not lose our balance. Like that second villager, he was laughing. No, first villager told that, oh, you are losing your balance. Then second villager, he replied, no way, we are not falling down, we are not losing our balance. So definitely we will strongly stand on this mountain, he said. We are not losing our balance. Then Yuki, he was very serious because he knew that what is going to be happen next time. Next. Wait, the earth moved under my feet. It means he was telling to that villagers, they were laughing at him, no? So for them he told, hey, wait, the earth moved under my feet. I think it was an earthquake. Maybe it is earthquake. Don't laugh. Like that he shouted. Then second villager, we have not had an earthquake for a long time. Oh my dear Yuki, so many years back that earthquake it happened. So now we not had an earthquake till now. It means after that we did not have any earthquake. So it means there is a long gap when they had that earthquake. From that to till now nothing happened. So that he is telling to that Yuki, what makes you think we are going to have one now? How we were telling that? Now we were telling that maybe earth is moving or shaking. You are saying no, earthquake is, it means it is earthquake, you are saying no. How can you tell that? How you came to know that? He asked to that Yuki. Then first villager, he replies, you just don't know how to have fun, Yuki. So he was laughing, he was not taking seriously that, oh Yuki, you are not at all making fun. Simply will be doing work, always working just like your grandfather. Your grandfather also like that, like you only. Always he was busy in his work. So like that you will be always busy in your work. You are not at all making any fun. Yuki, it is not, you should not be serious. Be funny. So like that first villager shout, he started to talk about that Yuki.
Then all the villagers pick up what they had dropped and start going about their business again, as if nothing had happened. Now, when they were moving, this boy Yuki shouted that, "Oh, so all of you stop! Earth is shaking," like that. He shouted. No, then what they were carrying in their hands, they left those all the things. They dropped those all the things down. So now everything is over. Now all the what they have dropped, those all the things they have took back or taken back. It means they collected them all from the ground and they started to go for their own work again. Start going about their business. It means what they were doing, they continued their work now. Nothing. So how they started their work means nothing had happened. ಏನೂ ಆಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್. Then Yuki loudly, it means with a loud voice, he shouted, "Wait!" Yuki looks at the back wall of the room and puts up a hand to shade his eyes. With the other hand, he points over the heads of the people in the audience. Then Yuki was there. No, he just looked back that screen. What it was there? It was drama stage. Back side it was there in a screen. Toward that he put his, ನಾವೇನೋ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೂರ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಇವನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ದೇ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ puts up a hand to shade his eyes. He put his palm on the eyes and he started to see there, and towards audience he shown his finger. So there were so many audience in front of the stage. Towards them he shown his hand and shouted, "I saw the house below move. I saw the houses below move." It means maybe our earth, our houses, it means what we are having here in this village, these are all the houses are moving. Look, the sea has turned black. Sea, in front of that village there was a sea. About that sea he told, maybe see that sea, that sea, SEAC, has turned black color. Sea water, it turned into black color. Now it looks like the sea is running backwards. So see that water, that sea water, it has turned black and it looks like the sea is running backwards. It means sea is moving backside now. It means that's waves will be coming towards the beach, no? So now they are going back away from our village. So it means that village, it was on the banks of that, on the beach of that sea. So now slowly that water, it was moving back. That sea water was moving back. It turned into black color. Now to audience, towards audience only he was shouting. He was seeing toward the audience and telling this, Yuki. Now I remember that grandfather had said. Yuki is saying that now I remembered that. I remembered what grandfather had said. My grandfather, he was always telling. What he was telling? The sea would turn black and run away from the shore. Shore means beach. It will be moving back from the beach just before a tsunami. A tsunami means big waves will be created in the sea or ocean are called tsunami. Nami means nothing but ale. ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ how much big they will be, So sometimes they may be bigger than 50 meters. 50 ಮೀಟರ್ಗಿಂತ ಎತ್ತರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿರೋ ವೇವ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಗರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೀಸ್, ಇನ್ ದೋಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸುನಾಮೀಸ್. Then all the villagers walk to where Yuki is standing. Now Yuki was telling about this, no? So before tsunami, what happens? First, the sea water turns black color. Okay, turns black and it will run away from the shore. It will run away from the shore. So this is the sign. Okay, it is the sign. What happens to the what happens next? It will be giving that sign. Okay, it means it is considered as a symbol.
ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅರ್ಥಕ್ವೇಕ್ಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್, ಸೈನ್ಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವಿಲೇಜರ್ಸ್ ವಾಕ್ ಟು ವೇರ್ ಯುಕಿ is standing, where Yuki was standing, toward that they moved. Then the first villager, he replied again, look, I have never seen anything like this before. Look how far the ocean has pulled back. So till now I did not see this kind of what we have scenery, that is scenery what we are seeing now. Now complete ocean or sea, it is turned black, and that water it has pulled back in the ocean. This kind of scene I did not see any time. So this is the first time, so I am seeing this kind of situation, he said. And we can see parts of the beach that we never saw before. Till now, every time water will be covered, those all the places in the beaches. But now those places also we can see, because now water is not there. It has that sea water, it went back, it ran away, it ran back, so that we can see those places also now, because there is no water. So it is one of the different situation we are all facing now. Like that he shouted, first villager. Then next, second villager, yes, let's go to the beach right now, right away. Hey, second villager, he told that. So again, let us go to the beach again. Why means, because till now we did not see this kind of situation. This is the first time we are seeing this situation. Let us go to the beach and see what is happening there and what are all the things are there in the beach. Imagine all the beautiful shells we will be able to find. So it is one of the sea product. Shell means shanka, we are calling it shanka, chippu, itarad. So they are all considered as sea products. So when there will be water, there will not be water in the beaches. That time these will be seen in the seashore. Seashore, it means beaches, we can see them. So let us go to collect them. Some special shells we may get. So that let us go to the beach. Like that he started to shout, second villager. We can string them together. We can make them garland or something. Shanka or kappe chippugalannu ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿರೋ ಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So that like we can make a string. We can string them together. We can join them together and make garland. So let us go to collect the shells, different shells in the beach now. Now he said like that. Then as the villagers leave the stage to run towards the beach, Yuki waves his arms and tries to stop them. So he stopped them with his hands. Hey, wait, don't go to beach now. So now Yuki is, now that those villagers, first villager and second villager and all the other villagers, they were ready to move toward the beach to collect the shells. But Yuki told, hey, wait, don't go to the beach. Wait few minutes. Why are you going? So he used his arms and stopped them. Then he shouted, Yuki is shouting now, wait, everyone, come back. There is terrible danger. It means very big danger we have now. Don't go to beach. My grandfather told me that this is just what happens before a tsunami. So my grandfather was always telling that before tsunami, what are all the changes will be taking place in the environment. Okay, so before tsunami, what are all the things will be taking place? That I know, because these are all the things told by my grandfather. So that is why now same what he told, same things are taking place in the environment. So maybe now after this, maybe tsunami is taking place now. So don't go to the beach. All of you, wait, he shouted. Then second villager, what are you talking about, Yuki? What you are talking about, Yuki? So are you mad? Simply you are stopping us. We are going to enjoy in the beach. This is the special situation we got in the beach. Why you are stopping us? He shouted. Then what happened then? All the villagers except the village boy leave the stage laughing. All the other villagers and second villager, first villager, they were laughing and they moved back to the stage. Now in front of the stage there was only that village boy. He was there. Village boy was there on the stage, and Yuki was there on the stage. To head for the beach, in front of the beach they were there, Yuki and village boy. Yuki knows he has to find a way to get the villagers to move up the mountain quickly. Now Yuki knows very well that
ನೌ ಸುನಾಮಿ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸುನಾಮಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿಲೇಜರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫನ್, ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಈಗ ಸುನಾಮಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸುನಾಮಿ. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, ಇವನು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಯೂಕಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ದೇ ವರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್. ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂಕಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್, ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಡೂ ನೌ, ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ದ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್. Only way to escape from the tsunami is we need to go to the mountain, top of the mountain. So we can stand there and we can escape from the tsunami. How can I take them, these villagers, to the mountain? He started to think. Then finally, what he got idea, he takes a log of wood from the fire in front of his house. In front of his house there was burning some wooden pieces they have kept, and they were burning those pieces. Okay, wooden pieces were burning there. So one log of wood, one piece of wood he took, which was burning there, okay, which was glowing, that he took, and he runs to the side of the stage, other side of the stage, from one side to another stage, another part of the stage. He took that fire in his hand. Okay, that wood, it was burning, no, it was glowing, that he took, and he moved to other part of the stage, and he pretends to set the rice stalks on fire. It means that they were celebrating that rice stalks, no, rice harvest celebration. So rice they have cut and they kept there. So for that rice stalks, bhattada hullu, it was there, no. So he wanted to set off fire to that rice stalk. Adakke benki hachlikke avanu try madada. Now while he is doing this all the things, that village boy was observing him. He was observing everything. What he is doing? He is purposefully taking that fire and burning the rice stalks. Why? That village boy was completely shocked, and he was watching everything. And Yuki touches the burning log of the rice crop in several places. It means they took that wood, okay, burning wood, and he kept that fire everywhere. He set off fire everywhere. So now everything, that rice stalk, it started to burn. So now what happened? Then he started to shout. What he shouted? So here it is there. Fire, fire! Everyone run to the mountain. So see, fire it is burning here. So if we are staying here, definitely this fire will be burning all of us. So let us go to the mountain. Run. So like that he started to shout. Throws down that burning branch and runs off stage. That burning branch, it was there in his hand, no? He threw that one to downwards, and he went back to the stage. Then all the villagers are standing together on top of the mountain. Now all the villagers, they were there, no? They went to the mountain. They stood on the mountain, including Yuki and Yuki's mother, father. It means that village, first villager, second villager, and other villagers and village boy, all together. So they stood on the top of the mountain now. It means they went to the peak of the mountain. Top they stood. They were observing everything. So then village boy steps forward and points to Yuki. That village boy, you observed, know everything. One who set off fire to that rice stalks, everything he saw, no, village boy. He shown his fingers toward the Yuki. Yuki is crazy. Really, he is a great crazy person. So why means he set fire to the rice crop. He did it in purpose. I saw him. This Yuki only, he set off fire to the rice crop, and he shouted, "Oh, fire, fire!" And he called you all to the top of the mountain. See how much crazy he is. Like that village boy, he became completely angry now. That village boy. Then Yuki, look. So he was showing his finger toward the sea. A tsunami. Tsunami means big wave. It was created in the sea. In the sea, in front of their in that mountain, there was a big sea, no? In that sea, a tsunami, it means big wave, it was created. All the characters, it means villagers, father and mothers of Yuki, they became completely silent, and they were holding their hands each other. So it means when we will be frightened, ಭಯ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ನಾವು ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಇರೋರ ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So like that they hold their hands each other, and they was horrible. It was completely horrible. Tsunami means whatever that big waves will be created, that will move toward the land and everything will be swept away after that. ಆ ವೇವ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಮನೆ, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ಡ್, destroyed. That much of strong waves will be created by the tsunami. Now tsunami it was created and Yuki was showing his hand towards the tsunami. Look at that tsunami, all of you, look. It was just how grandfather had described a tsunami. My grandfather, he was telling, no, same thing it happened now. So everything he had said would happen has come true. Whatever the things after that changes in the environment taking place, so same thing it is happening now. First what he said, first comes the earthquake, first earth will shake, then the sea turns black. First point is, before earthquake what are all the things are taking, before the tsunami what are all the changes taking place in the environment means, first one, first comes the earthquake, earth will be moving first. Second step, sea turns black color, sea water will be turning black color, second step. And the third one, and pulls away from the land, and third point is that sea water will be pulled away from the shore, from the beach. It means it is moving back, sea water will be moving back from the beach. Then the tsunami comes, it means it is the fourth step, and now everything will be swept away. Yes, first step I told, no, once again I will repeat. First step, first earth moves, earth will be shaking first. Second step, before tsunami these are all the changes are taking place. Second step, sea water it will be changing into black color. Third step, that water, sea water will be moving back from the beach or shore, we are calling it sea shore, we are calling, no, that from the beach that sea water will be moving back. And the fourth step will be tsunami will be coming toward the land area, big waves will be coming toward the land area and everything will be swept away. Swept away means completely collapsing everything, damaging everything. Then village boy, sadly, he became very sad now and he said, our village has been swept away, it is gone, the tsunami took it away like it was never there. See, after that tsunami, that village boy, he shown his finger toward the village and told, so see our village, nothing is there in our village, all the huts, buildings, they have completely destroyed from the tsunami, from the big wave. So how it is there now, you see, the tsunami took it away like it was never there, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನೆಲಸಮ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. So it means everything it is destroyed. It means that much of strong waves will be created by the tsunami. Then Yuki shouted, I am so sorry that I burned the rice stalks. So if I called you, ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಸುನಾಮಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರೂ ರೆಡಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So now that is why I planned and I burned, purposefully I burned those all the rice stalks. Purposefully I burned the rice stalks and then I wanted to save you. So this is my intention. So I did not, for that I am asking sorry for you all, he said. I had to find a way to get everyone to the top of the mountain. This is the way I wanted to take you all to this mountain. That is why I planned like that. That is why I burnt your all the rice stalks. Like that he asked sorry to those villagers. Then villagers and especially father, he said, Yuki, you saved us all. You no need to ask sorry, Yuki. Because of you, we are now alive. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬದುಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣನೇ ನೀನು. If you are not brought us to the mountain, completely we were dying there in that tsunami itself, in that big wave itself. Because of you, you were saved us all. Like that, father shouted. Then first villager, you were right after all, Yuki. Really you were telling, no, Yuki, but we were not listening to you. We were laughing at you. So sorry for that, Yuki. So what we have done, it is our fault. So we are asking sorry for you. So like that he shouted. Then it was an earthquake. So about earthquake you told, but we not believed. So that is our fault. So we are asking sorry for that. Then Father, tonight we were all going to celebrate our rice harvest. Today night we were going to celebrate our rice harvest. That celebration we were going to celebrate. But now nothing. Everything because of tsunami, everything swept away. It means our celebration it has stopped. So it is okay, no problem, because we were losing our life. At least we saved, you saved our life, no? We are all alive, no? That is the great thing we have got. Then mother said, now we will celebrate that all of us. Now we will celebrate that all of us looks around everything towards all the side they seen, and then all of us are still alive. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ನಾವು ಬದುಕಿರೋದೇ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇವಾಗ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಯುಕಿ ಸೇವ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಆಲ್. ದಟ್ ಯುಕಿ, ದಟ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಈ ಸೇವ್ಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ನಾವು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಸೆಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ವಿಲೇಜರ್ಸ್ cheer and congratulate Yuki and bow to him and his parents. Bow means bending. They bent and they joined their hands and they said thanks to Yuki and his parents. Thank you, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ he done a lot for us, and also he saved us saved our life. He saved our life, so that we are thanking you. So you have a great son. So for that we are always thankful to you and your family. Like that he shouted. Yes, this story is written by Elaine Lindy. Elaine Lindy, this is the person wrote this beautiful story. So if you have any doubts about this story, still you can send me a message or call me to get clarification. I hope I am clear. In my next class, I will discuss with you about exercise part of this story. Okay, take care children. Have a nice day and prepare well for your PT2 examination.